And so this also accounts for a lot of verbs in Spanish. Okay? This structure applies for a lot of things in Spanish, okay? If you want to say to love something in Spanish, in the sense of loving something, right? To love in Spanish, there are several ways to say it, right? But if you're loving a person, it would be like amar, which you probably heard of, like te amo. But if you're talking about to love a thing, you would use encantar, which is to love as in to love a thing, right? Similar. If you want to say I love it, you'd say me encanta. It is enchanting. There's no direct translation of encantar in that way. It is very pleasing to me would be a good translation there. If you want to say like I'm interested in it, in Spanish you'd say it interests me. In the same way you'd say it bothers me, it's annoying, right? You'd say it bothers me, me molesta, and so on. And this goes on for all of them. This structure, you also might see it with like, if you want to say my head hurts, in Spanish you would say my head is hurting to me or is causing pain to me, which would give the meaning of it hurts, okay? Because you're the one receiving the pain in this case. Do you see the flip of that logic there? That flip is exactly how gustar works, okay? Instead of you being the person that likes the thing is the thing that is being pleasing to you. That's the logic switch in that, okay? If that's too complicated for you, don't worry. The simple translation you can think of is gustar is to be pleasing. And in Spanish, if you want to say that you like something, you have to say that the thing is pleasing to you, which is why if you want to say, for example, they like me, you'd say, I am pleasing to them. And after I thought about it like this, I never ever made a mistake with gustar ever again. If you're just starting out, I'd highly recommend checking out the Speedy Spanish Roadmap. It's a free course I created to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And you'll find it in the first link in the description.